you. I propose that clause 27 be amended as it appears. Indication for it is that this is to make it, to make it clear and comply with drafting style as per the National Assembly. Thank you.
I propose the question that
Primary cooperative to be 20 members, and for the secondary cooperative, 5 primary cooperatives. Thank you.
Honourable members, I propose the question that clause 29 be amended as proposed by the mover. Please, you are in order now that I've proposed. You may proceed and speak on this.
Chair, I just wanted the chair to clarify, just for clarity, when she says that 5 cooperatives, do those 5 cooperatives have a minimum threshold in terms of how many members in each of the cooperatives should comprise the 5?
Chair.
Thank you, Chair. The primary cooperative shall have 20 members. So, and we are saying 5 primary cooperatives can form a secondary cooperative, meaning that if every primary cooperative will be 20 times 5, which is 100 members, that is the minimum a secondary, that is the minimum a secondary cooperative should have. Cooperative, housing cooperative, transport cooperative, worker cooperative, and those kind of cooperatives. So, under this particular clause, we are saying that a member or a cooperative cannot be, a member we are saying that a member or a cooperative cannot be in more than one cooperative unless the commissioner approves which type of cooperative, because that clarification or justification in terms of cooperatives has already been taken care of under clause 20.
Yes, Honorable Undo.
I just want to educate our members that yes, there ought to be a criteria, but that will fall within regulations. You can't regulate even the minor details. Give the discretion or some powers to the commissioner that whenever there is a conflict, they can administratively solve it without going to rigorous processes, but they'll be in the regulations. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Chair, you know, I need to be on record.
Order, Honorable Wamuchomba, please. You may proceed, but Chair, please approach the table as you proceed.
Chair, I want to be on record that the reason why we were so earnestly looking for this cooperative bill is because of the mess that the cooperative commissioners have caused in our primary cooperatives. We have had a lot of issues, a lot of irregularities, lack of standards, under the sanction of the same cooperative commissioners. So how do you then make a new law and still accommodate them and give them the same power they had? And that was the spirit of the to authorize. To what extent? And that is what Honorable Udo is saying. Otherwise, we are going to get ourselves back to where we were. The reason why most of the farmers have lost their assets and properties is because somebody sanctioned in the name of commissioners. How do we tame them so that they do not overuse the power we give them through this bill? Otherwise, it will be retrogressive for us to have a new cooperative bill and still give the same offenders an opportunity to repeat the offense.
Honorable Wamuchomba, we hear you very well and you are very clear. Honorable Undo, yes.
That's why this is where laws are made, this particular time. Any other? Let me just try to let the because then I'll be talking.
Honorable Wamuchomba,
they're on a banter.
You are arguing very well, and Oundo would want you to hear him on this.
It's a banter of people from Kiambu, members from Kiambu.
Proceed, Oundo.
You know that in a banter, members of Kiambu. Honorable Wamuchomba, when you look at the national cooperative policy that we passed in the last parliament, was actually to address the fears you are raising. And the fears you are raising is that there used to be briefcase promoters of cooperative societies who would go for gullible members, register here, register here, register here. And hoping and understanding that the principle of cooperative is people of common bond, with a common bond, and democratic rights to vote whichever they want. So essentially, what we are saying, that the commissioner has got somebody can apply for exemption, but that exemption is going to be guided based on the regulations. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, if the Honorable Member can look at that amendment and at clause 30, subsection 3, it will clearly explain the regulations will set out procedures where the exemption can be granted and where the exemption can be denied. It's unfortunate that she's busy.
The same objects, then we do not need to register another cooperative to do the same kind of business. I'll give you an example. In my constituency, we grow tea. So if there is a cooperative that is already a tea growing cooperative, then we don't need to register another cooperative of a tea growing with the same membership, because that would mean that this other cooperative would be for the purposes of going to corn members.
So that we try to make cooperatives fiscally viable. So this is one of the reasons why, after extensive public participation, these powers was given to the commissioner, so that we try to delimit boundaries and say, if commission or other cooperative X already exists, let everybody, say T, belong to that one cooperative, instead of having fragmented cooperatives which may eventually lead to small cooperatives which are not sustainable. So I think for that reason we should support these amendments.
Very well, very well. Honorable members, you still have 1 minute, because we heard you extensively.
Chair, I ask to be forgiven for bringing this issue so heavily, because
There's no forgiveness here, just state your
to
point.
pardon me for, reprojecting the issue. You know, the issue that has been there, the issue that we wanted to sort once and for all through making this law, is the issue of somebody coming up with a cooperative society, fleece Kenyans' money, then after 2 years, deregisters the cooperative and registers the same cooperative. So this is what I want an assurance from, that for me to support this, that problem is going to be sorted.
Honorable Wamuchomba, I was a keen follower of this debate, and I'm a very interested person. And they have explained very keenly and very.
Clauses 31, 32, 33, 32, 33, 34, and 35.
I propose the question that clauses 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35 be part of the bill. Honorable members, there are no amendments on these ones, and therefore proceed to put the question that clauses 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35 be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 36.
I propose the question that clause 36 be part of the bill. Mover.
Thank you. I propose that clause 36 be amended as it appears in the order paper, and this is basically for redrafting to make it clear, especially on the word corporate body, to bring consistency and clarity in the bill.
I propose the question that clause 36 be amended as proposed by the mover. I now put the question that clause 36 be amended as proposed by the mover. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 36 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clauses 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43.
Honorable members, I propose the question that clauses 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43 be part of the bill. Honorable members, there are no amendments on this one, and therefore proceed to put the question that clauses 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43 be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of a contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 44.
I propose the question that clause 44 be part of the bill. Mover.
Thank you. I propose that clause 44 be amended as it appears in the order paper. And basically, this amendment is to delete the words "or" the board of directors, subject to ratification by members at a general meeting. And this amendment is therefore to prevent misuse of power to ratify at the AGM. Thank you.
I propose the question that clause 44 be amended as proposed by the mover. I now put the question that clause 44 be amended as proposed by the mover. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of a contrary opinion say nay? I now put the question that clause 44 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clauses 45 and 46.
I propose the question that clauses 45 and 46 be part of the bill. I now put the question that clauses 45 and 46 be part of the bill. Will as many as that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Honorable members, there were no amendments on clauses 45 and 46.
Clause 47.
I propose the question that clause 47 be part of the bill. Mover.
Thank you, Chair. I propose clause 47 be amended as it appears in the order paper, and this is basically to provide, we remove the limitation of membership to producer cooperatives as it is just discriminatory. It's only mentioning one type of cooperative.
I propose the question that clause 47 be amended as proposed by the mover. I now put the question that clause 47 be amended as proposed by the mover. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I proceed to put the question that clause 47 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clauses 48 and 49.
I propose the question that clauses 48 and 49 be part of the bill. Honorable members, there are no amendments. I therefore put the question that clauses 48 and 49 be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 50.
I propose the question that clause 50 be part of the bill. Mover.
Thank you, Chair. I propose that clause 50 be amended as it appears on the order paper, and basically this amendment is to provide for compliance with the Data Protection Act.
Proposed by the mover. Proceed, Honorable Wamuchomba.
Chair, allow me to thank the chairperson of this committee and the committee that found it worth to bring this kind of amendment. I fully support. In the past, producers' cooperatives have had their information leaked to circles, lenders, commercial ventures, suppliers, to fleece producers, societies, and cooperatives their money. Very, very good. I am one of those that made the Data Protection Parliament, and I'm happy that we are aligning to the Act. Thank you.
Honorable Anthony Lodge.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. And then once again, thank you, Honorable Chair. And then once again, this was one of the concerns during the public participation on how data can be misused, and therefore we considered it necessary that we insert a provision that data be protected. I also want to join Honorable Wamuchomba, with whom I served in the ICT committee last Parliament, where the Data Protection Act was put in place. This is a progressive move, and it is in line with our current laws. I support.
Honorable members, I now put the question that clause 50 be amended as proposed by the mover. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 50 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clauses 51, 52, 53, and 54.
I propose the question that clauses 51, 52, 53, and 54 be part of the bill. Honorable members, there are no amendments on these ones, and I therefore proceed to put the question that clauses 51, 52, 53, and 54 be part of the bill. Will as aye? Will as many as the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 55.
I propose the question that clause 55 be part of the bill. Mover.
Thank you, Chair. I propose that clause 55 be amended as it appears on the order paper, and the justification is this is to resolve the proposed amendments to provide for electronic filing of any records. Thank you.
I propose the question that clause 55 be amended as proposed by the mover. I now proceed to put the yes. Let's hear Honorable Mayaka.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, I want to support this particular amendment, the addition of hard copy or electronic copy, because this then goes in line and complies with the current is also allowed. So this, for that particular fact, I do support this amendment. Thank you.
Yes, Honorable Anthony Lodge.
To support this, and again, progressive move. The government is currently undertaking digitization of all its records, and in terms of good governance and Mongozo practice, I think it would be in order that the cooperatives not only files good records in terms of physical copies, but also has digital copies which can be accessed virtually. I support.
Honorable members, I now put the question that clause 55 be amended as proposed by the mover. Will as many as without opinion say aye? Will as many as with contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 55 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as without opinion say aye? Will as many as with contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 56.
I propose the question that clause 56 be part of the bill. I now put the question that clause 56 be part of the bill. Will as many as without opinion say aye? Will as many as with contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 50.
Chair, I propose that clause 57 be amended as it appears on the order paper, and the justification for this is to enable a person who is a member of the cooperative to write to the commissioner or the county director of cooperatives to convene a meeting where the directors of a cooperative have failed to call for a meeting.
I propose the question that clause 57 be amended as proposed by the chair. Yes, yes, Wamuchomba first. Take the first bite.
Chair, I rise to fully support this amendment, and the justification given therein by the chair is applicable, noting that this is going to sort a lot of governance issues that have been experienced in the past, where the directors of cooperatives could collude with the commissioner of cooperatives to do things that are against the members of the society. Therefore, I support.
Honorable Anton Lodge.
Chair, I think one of the big problems that befell the cooperatives that we are trying to sort right now was a question of directors, not only the collapse of cooperatives, but the loss of millions of shillings of hard-earned money by farmers and people who deposit their money with cooperatives. This now therefore gives members the opportunity to call these directors to order by writing to the commissioners and thereby be able to force a meeting to be called. I support.
Honorable members, I now put the question that clause be amended as proposed by the chair. Will as many as without opinion say aye? Will as many as with contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 57 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as without opinion say aye? Will as many as with contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clauses 58, 59, 60, and 61.
I propose the question that clauses 58, 59, 60, and 61 be part of the bill. No amendments. I proceed to put the question that clauses 58, 59, 60, and 61 be part of the bill. Will as many as without opinion say aye? Will as many as with contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 62.
I propose the question that clause 62 be part of the bill. Mover.
Thank you, Chair. I propose that clause 62 be amended as it appears in the order paper, and the justification is to provide for staggered appointment of directors. This is to ensure that there is institutional memory and to provide for a limit, a term limit that a person may serve as a director. Thank you.
I propose the question that clause 62 be amended as proposed by the chair. Oh, yes. Let me hear from Honorable Dorothy.
Thank you, Chair. I support this particular amendment. This will go a long way in improving governance because when people, there will be transparency and accountability, Chair, and I strongly support this amendment.
Honorable Undo.
Chair, if there was any clause that elicited emotions and strong and passionate discussions and debate in public participation and even the public participation in the villages and in the various county headquarters, was the issue of the term for directors. Very emotive issue. And probably to help merge the different views, the committee felt that, first of all, it must be staggered. So there's institutional memory. Secondly, we said you cannot serve for more certain number of terms. You can serve, take a break, then come back. It's also neat, Honorable Chair, so that this cry of embezzlement, misuse of resources, and all those things, there is a break in between when we can look at it. Chair, let me give you an example. One said, there was a mzee somewhere in Mount Kenya region who joined the COP as a director when he was in the early 20s. I did not even have a bicycle. By now, he has got a fleet of transport vehicles and is the richest person, and he can have his way in all elections. You cannot beat him in an election.
Very well, your point is made. Honorable Dagala Beatrice. And that's the last one we are taking, and then I take the chair. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I proceed to put the question that clause 62 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clauses 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, and 72.
I propose the question that clauses 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, and 72 be part of the bill. Honorable members, all these clauses don't have amendments, and I therefore proceed to put the question that clauses 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, and 72 be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Very well. What's the point of order, Honorable Anthony Lodge?
Chair, I don't know whether I missed something. Was clause 62A moved, or was it moved as part of 62, the one that deals with payment of expenses?
Well, we are
or
very
was
much.
it dropped? If it was dropped, then I stand corrected.
We are very much aware of that clause 62, but it will come in as a new clause. Chair, do you have a comment on that? Later.
I just wanted to clarify to the member that it is a new clause, so it will be moved later.
Very well.
Yeah.
Honorable Anthony Lodge, are we together? We may proceed.
Clause 73.
I propose the question that clause 73 be part of the bill. Mover.
Chair, propose that clause 73 be amended as it appears in the order paper. This particular clause, Chair, elicited a lot of response and comments from both the county governments and the ministry. And this particular amendment will enable the county governments to issue demand notices as proposed by the submissions of the Joint Technical Committee from the State Department and from the Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises and the County Council of Governors.
Very well. I propose the question that clause 73 be amended as proposed by the chair. Yes, Honorable Anthony Lodge.
Chair, one of the things that we grappled with during public participation was to set out boundaries and limits of a county director to the extent that we do not allow arbitrariness, where notices are issued without reference to the provisions of Article 47. So this new amendment enables notice to be issued, but to the extent that these notices must be reasonable and that these notices must take into account the right for fair administrative action to the members affected. Thank you.
Yes, Wamuchomba.
Chair, I rise to note
Thank you, Chair. Yes, he will have done so in consultation. And remember, by the time these notices are being written, it is because the cooperative has not complied. And because of lack of such compliance, the members who are within the cooperative will have also suffered. And therefore, this notice is very important to ensure that these cooperatives at all times comply. And where they fail to comply, the notices will compel the cooperatives to comply and provide information that is required. So yes, it is there, by the time the notices are being given, they will have already been notified. Thank you.
I now put the question that clause 73 be amended as proposed by the chair. Will as many as without opinion say aye? Will as many as the contrary opinion say nay, the ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 73 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as the contrary opinion say nay, the ayes have it.
Clauses 74, 75, and 76.
I propose the question that clauses 74, 75, and 76 be part of the bill. I proceed to put the question that clauses 74, 75, and 76 be part of the bill. Will as many as the contrary opinion say nay?
Clause 77.
I propose the question that clause 77 be part of the bill. Mover.
Thank you, Chair. We propose that clause 77 be deleted as it appears in the order paper. And the reason for this is this amendment is to ensure that cooperatives exercise due diligence in mitigating risks and ensure insurers loans in case of death of a member. Thank you.
Well, let me first propose the question that clause 77 be deleted as proposed by the chair. Honorable Anthony Luoch.
Chair, this amendment, the deletion would save a situation in which the state of a deceased person who had no idea about debts or liabilities that they had and have no means by which to be able to meet these are saved from being auctioned and being run down. And I think this has happened in very, very many instances. I think this would be a good provision, and therefore I support it.
Honorable members, I now put the question that clause 77 be deleted as proposed by the chair. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 78.
I propose the question that clause 78 be part of the bill. Chair.
Thank you, Chair. I propose that clause 78 be amended as it appears on the order paper, and the justification is to enable payment of any demand to a cooperative within 60 days of the death of any member.
I propose the question that clause 78 be amended as proposed by the chair. Yes, let's see, Economist Makali Mulu, Honorable.
Yeah, thank you very much. Honorable Chair, I think that amendment is very important, and more so when you fix the time in which money must be paid, because there has been a necessary delay in these payments, so I support.
Wamuchomba, Honorable.
Chair, if there is anything that has made our members of producer cooperatives go bankrupt and dissolve cooperatives and fight and kill each other, like the famous Boy Committee Cooperative Society in Kiambu County, where members have killed each other over allegations of working behind the scenes to be the debt collector on behalf of the cooperative. For this, I support.
Very well, honorable members. I now propose the question. I now put the question that clause 78 be amended as proposed by the chair. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 78 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clauses 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84.
Honorable members, I propose the question that clauses 79 bill. Honorable members, there are no amendments on this one, and I therefore proceed to put the question that clauses 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84 be part of the bill. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 85.
I propose the question that clause 85 be part of the bill. Mover.
Thank you, Chair. I propose that clause 85 be amended as it appears in the order paper, and the justification is to provide clarity on that particular clause.
I propose the question that clause 85 amended as proposed by the mover. Is it a point of order or you want to contribute? Yes, Honorable Mayaka.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, and maybe the Chair could clarify on this, because I see her amendment is talking about prescribe, but on the bill it is prescribed. Semantically speaking, those are two very have two very different meanings. So maybe the chair would want to clarify.
Could you bring out the meanings now that you seem to be English?
Chair, when you prescribe, you're talking about the continuous tense. Prescribed, you're talking about the past continuous tense.
Thank you for your magnanimity. Yes, Chair.
Thank you. I think I will go with the amendment of the member to prescribe, not prescribed. Prescribe, the word prescribe.
Okay, Honorable Anthony Oluoch.
Chair, we are dealing with different issues here. First, the proposed amendment, what it seeks to do is to say that, inserting the words in regulations under by the Cabinet Secretary appearing after the word prescribe. This word as put in the order paper, Chair, is the word as it should have been in the text of the bill. And I think the text of the bill is correct. If you read the text of the bill, it says a cooperative shall not invest its funds or money, members' deposit in non-core activities beyond any limits as may be prescribed. Now, if you use Honorable Mayaka's context, you would be saying as really anchored on that word prescribed. It is merely to add certain words, and those words are in regulations under by the cabinet, so that even the words in the order paper should still have been prescribed as they appear on the bill. Thank you.
Very well, we together. Chair, you still want to make a comment on that?
I want to agree with Honorable Anthony Oluoch that it should be as it is in the bill.